If you're having an issue with an ESM where the battery will continually drain and the unit will not power up, it's possible that you have too much tension in the chain system. To verify whether or not there's too much tension in the system, you want to put a 35-pound weight on the steps. As you see, the steps will move down. This indicates that there is not too much tension. If the steps do not move with a 35-pound weight, you'll need to check the chain tension. Remove the shrouds from both sides. On the left side of the machine, check the gap between the idler pulley and the chain. You should have at least 1 to 1 1/4 inch gap between these two. If the gap is less than 1 inch, we'll need to make an adjustment here at this top pulley. To make the adjustments on the top pulleys, we're going to need to loosen both left and right side pillow blocks. Using an Allen key, you want to make an adjustment on the set screws. You're going to turn it till you have approximately 3 threads sticking out from the set screw. You want to make sure that the gap between the bracket and the pillow block is the same on the left side of the machine as well as the right side. Now that we've made some adjustments on our brackets for our top pillow blocks, and we verified that the gap between the pillow block and the bracket are the same on this side and the other side, you want to tighten your pillow blocks back up, and we're going to take a measurement on our gap here and make sure that we have between 1 and 1 1/4. In order to check the sag, you want to position the bearings on the pulleys as follows. You're going to have one bearing here and the other bearing down here. Once you have the bearings on the chain in position, you want to put the straight edge across the top and bottom bearing. Right below this screw is where you're going to want to take a measurement on the amount of sag that you have. It should be 3/4 inches. As in this one here, you can see it is under 3/4 inches, and we'll need to adjust the tension of the chain down towards the bottom pulleys. To adjust the chain tension, you're going to need to loosen up the pillow blocks on both left and right side of the bottom pulleys. Once both pillow blocks have been loosened, you're going to back out the set screws. Depending on how much tension you have, you might want to start with just 2 turns. Back out the set screw equal turns on the opposite side. Before you check the sag, you must tighten the pillow blocks on each side completely. Since we've made our adjustments and we've tightened up the pillow blocks, we're going to go ahead and measure our sag again. You should have a 3/4 inch gap. We verified that the left side has a proper sag. Now we need to verify that the right side has a proper sag. You must have 3/4 inch sag on both left and right.